say I make it look easy. Cause it is, big dog. I'm telling you, bro. Come on out here, bro. It's out here, man. The money out here. The experience is out here. Everything out here, man. I mean, ain't nothing to it, man. It's your mindset. You're gonna have your ups and downs. You're gonna have your downs. But, bro, that's anything in life. That's for anything in life, man. Don't tell nobody I ain't had my seatbelt on, man. Don't tell the police, DOT, none of that. Finna go to my favorite truck stop. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't tell y'all. I'm going to my favorite truck stop, man. The cleanliness, the slushies, the bathrooms, man, everything. I haven't took a shower yet. I'm gonna try that. I might try that tomorrow, man. But shout out to Cubbies, man. We about to go. We about to go, man. We're at my favorite truck stop, man. Show y'all. It's a little cloudy, man, and raining, man, but it's still clean out here. Still clean out here, man.
This is where we're about to go. I guess once the back stage and the ordinance, I don't know if it will ever happen. You know, boys?
Y'all know what time it is. Bathrooms clean. This ain't even piss. This is solution. I stop here all the time. It's my first time in they showers. And bro, they got damn plush out here. I got enough time, so I'm gonna take me a shower. Look at it though, bro. Let's get it. And we're back in action, man. Feeling good, smelling good. Better get up out of here, man. Yo. Hey, yo. Follow me on Instagram, man. I'll be live, man. Real OG Greg, man. You know, I took some time off, man. Cause you know, it's always a time to chill and always a time to kill, you know what I'm saying? I'm in my kill mode now. I'm about to give people a more in-depth look, you know, in what I do and what I go through on a daily, what I see, man. It's a lot of stuff I be seeing out here, man. So I'm just trying to capture much of my life as I can, man. But also being present, you know. Cherry snow, boy. Yeah, got this. Yeah, that's it. You on that? Nah, still ain't about them games. Know that? Oh, cool. I'm on time. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Looking in the mirror, ain't no holding me. Looking at the bigger picture, everything is meant to be. Anything that strip me of my focus is my enemy. I ain't got time. Every minute count. Going after what I want, I gotta figure it out. They say I got a beast in me, I'm about to let them out. Now they holler, check them out. What the hell he up to now? Say, Greg, what's the business? Unchillin', Lord willing that I make it to tomorrow. You know, police out here killing. Don't get an SFI truck, they said. The payments too high, they said. Man, we making them payments with ease, man. One load, man. It definitely depends on the carrier. But what I will say is, where I'm at is straight. If they taking 15% and less, you straight. But I have here, man, that they going up, man. The prices of the trucks going up and the truck note going up. No, I'm still at 1126. A lot of people telling me, man, I jumped in at the right time, man. And I think I did, you know. I just went with my gut.
my intuition, but I hear they going up to like 12, 13 or something. But you know, I'm just speculating. I'm just outside looking in, man. But yeah, they told me don't do it, man. I jumped out there, man, with no kind of experience, no kind of anything, bro. I just jumped, bro. No parachute, bro. Nothing, bro. I just jumped, man. We out here in Houston, though. Out here in Houston, man. Beautiful day, man. Love Texas, man. Love Texas, man. There was a subscriber, man. He came to say what's up, man. I was trying to press record, man. It wouldn't let me, man. That's love, though. He got the same kind of truck, man. I don't need your buddy name, but came to speak to your boy. I was trying to record while we was talking, man. Just talking about SFI and stuff like that, man. He with American Freight. He pulling that reefer. Reefer where is at? That's what he pulling, man. That's where it's at. Piggyback on what I was saying about one of my subscribers. Well, a family member, man. Y'all family, man. Y'all my family. But he got an SFI truck too. He got his used for $130,000. He didn't tell me how much his payment was. He had American Freight, and he getting 90%. He doing better than me. He getting 90% of the load of his loads of his money, yo. Like, you can't beat that. And he doing reefer, so that's even more money. So we out here making it with the SFI trucks, man. They told me not to get one. I did it anyway, just to, you know, see for myself, you know what I'm saying? And we out here making it, man. We out here surviving. We making it happen, man. That's all that matters. Taking care of families, taking care of ourselves, taking care of the truck. It's possible, man. As long as you got your mind straight, you got a great mindset, it's possible, man.